So I tried to recreate this the best way that I could. So if you're just driving and you can see this car that's right behind me, it looks like it's pretty far away, but in actuality, if I turn around, it's actually right there. So you really don't have as much room as you kind of think you do, you know. So it's always best practice to look behind you to make sure, because there was one instance when I thought I had a whole lot more room, but the car was actually closer to me than that. So y'all, just be careful out there. I know we're doing these things to increase our safety, but always look. But these are a good addition. They do help you see a lot more. But again, if you can see how far away it looks like the car is versus where it really is, y'all, just be careful. But besides that, these are a great addition. Really like them. Cheap mod that you can do to definitely increase safety for yourself on the Ryker. So for now, y'all, that's gonna be it. I appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all already know, Ryker fam. Stand up, tap in, let's go.